look where I am. I am at Isaac Farms. I'm here with my sister-in-law. We did the 2-hour drive all the way over here. So yeah, we're gonna do some plant shopping. I'm not gonna do like a full tour because I already made a video before, and I'll link it down below for you guys to watch that. But yeah, I'm so excited to see what succulents I'm going to find in here. Everything looks amazing. It's been raining, and hopefully it won't rain on us while we're shopping. But yeah, I'm dying to look. I'll show you guys just a little bit, because last time I was here, I had a lot of pressure on myself to record, and I felt like I couldn't focus and shop. But like I said, guys, I have a video that I recorded when I came here the first time, so I'll link that down below for you guys. I'll see you in a bit. So packed and beautiful. They don't have a price. I don't see a price for them. Oh look, these are the ones that I have. And let's see if we find any unique cactuses. That one's cool. It's blue. I like it. These are $15 on this side. Many different ones. Ooh, look at that corner on the comb. Oh, look at this. I love blue cactuses. Look at how tall that one is. And the hairy ones. $15. Not bad for how big they are. Let's see if they have any small ones over there. Look at this. Oh, this fell. I don't know where it fell from. I have no idea. Put it there. They'll put it back. Look at these. They're weird. Well, this is the one that they had at Home Depot and I didn't have. Let me look at the small ones that are $6 over here. Don't see any of the small ones that I want. If you ever are in Florida, in Miami, you must come here and just see it. Even if you're not going to be able to buy anything, ship it to yourself. Just come and see the beauty. So amazing. So much great stuff. And look at the price. It's just too hard. Too hard to choose. So many beautiful ones. These go up here. Yeah. Done shopping, and my porcelain salon is all wet, but I'm just going to show you this part right here as well as I can, because she's going to be waiting in the car for me. Just want to show you how beautiful it is. And I wonder if these people constantly have to change these things out, or they're just doing well where they're at. Right now it's been raining, and look at those blue fish. Awesome. So it's amazing. This place is amazing. I wanted to show you guys this real quick. And like I told you guys, I have a lengthy video on this place, so I'll link it down below. And I just wanted to show you this real quick before I leave. This is what I would like, a tapestry like this. I can see that there's a lot of perlite or maybe pumice in there. So yeah, I don't know, maybe in the future I would experiment. I'm not sure. I like, having things in pot as well. It lets me be in control and moving things. So yeah, this is it, guys. I hope that if you guys ever come to Florida, you guys can come and visit, because it is beautiful. So back home, It's been, I think, when did I go to? I went on Friday. Today's Sunday. On Friday, I went to Isaac Farms. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, already know. And I didn't do a full tour because I had already done that previously on a video that I have. So I will link that down below for you guys. But I wanted to show you guys what I ended up purchasing. So this one here, I believe this is the mammillaria, and it's 4 of them. And I really liked it. It reminds me of 4 boobs. My daughter didn't think that was funny, but my daughter pointed out that it actually looks like a heart to her. If only I can pick it up. Okay, let's see. You got it. Okay, let's see which way. Okay, this way. So when you look at it from that angle, it looks like a heart or a booty, as she said. So I really like that. Super cute. This cactus right here, I should turn it the other way, only because I had a lot of cleaning to do to it. It was raining a lot, guys. That's part of the reason that I couldn't really record too much. I did go on Instagram Live, but you know, Instagram, you're not worried about the quality. You're just walking around and showing people. But when I got home and I was inspecting it, it had some little white specks. I don't know what it is. So I had to brush it off. Most of it came off. This side did not have it. It's the other side. So a lot of the farina on the other side is gone. That's why I turned it around so that it has a side. The sun hits the side that has the protective layer. It's like a sunblock, the farina. But yeah, I'm also gonna treat it with neem oil just to be sure. You guys know that I like for the plants to look, you know, the best that they can look. I try to get plants with, you know, with no scarring, no scales, things like that. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. These were $15 each. My sister ended up purchasing this one for me, and then for my birthday, and I purchased this one and then the other one. So this one plus these plants came out to be $50. 15 plus $3.75 each. These are $3.75, and then this one was $6. It's a variegated euphorbia, very pretty. Had to get it. Maria, I think you would like this one. And then so these were $3.75. Love the colors on this one. Love it. So I can't wait to propagate this one and have more of it. And then I got this is called the, I think, Mexican cactus post, Mexican fence post. I don't know, you guys correct me on that. Can't remember. So I don't know the name of this one. It's like a frilly echeveria. And then this one, I got that one because it had a few babies. I just got them because they were not cute, so I don't know. And then yeah, there's no names on these, so no names. I'm sure this is probably like a variegated ghost plant or something in that of that sort. And then that one, last time I was there, I think that's where I got this one from. This really pretty one right here, I believe I got it from there. So I just ordered my shade cloth, because as you can see, it is 2 o'clock and this is already getting sun. But I'm not concerned because it's only 80 degrees outside, so that should be fine. But anything higher than that, I definitely need to protect this. So I had to figure out how I'm going to be placing that shade cloth so that I can protect these plants. So I had to figure that out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me give you a closer look. Hold on, I'm sorry. Closer look of the plants that I purchased. One second, I'm almost done. My favorite, besides the cactus, this is my favorite. Well, I don't know. Let me take that back. I don't know. I like the euphorbia too. I like all of them. How about that? They're all my favorite. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And have a blessed day, guys. Bye.